Are you an Amazon seller? Struggling with delayed profits, competition overload, price wars, etc.? This video is for you. Welcome back to Centaur Interactive channel. Starting your own online selling business has been made easy with the help of numerous online selling platforms. Since the increase of Amazon's popularity and dominance in the e-commerce industry, it has become a top destination for online sellers. Apart from its influence, sellers are inclined to sell their products on Amazon either via FBA or FBM programs because of the potential sales. Before successful Amazon sellers reach their target profit, they often experience a series of challenges. If you are new to Amazon or planning to become a seller, here are some of the commonly experienced challenges or issues when selling on Amazon. Number 1, delayed profitability. Number 2, competition overloaded. Number 3, Amazon price wars. Number 4, receiving Amazon feedback. Number 5, strict restriction and policies. Let's get in detail with the challenges. Delayed profit. One of the biggest mistakes of inexperienced sellers is relying only on the revenue of their Amazon listings to replenish their inventory. For that matter, before you dive deeper into Amazon FBA or Amazon FBM, you should secure a buffer fund to keep your Amazon business afloat. Some manufacturers or suppliers will ask at least 25% of the inventory cost in order to start shipment or begin production of your items. This is especially true if you are aiming to sell private label brands on Amazon. Competition overload. Amazon Marketplace has 8.6 million total sellers worldwide. Due to excessive competition, new sellers are having difficulty penetrating the market. However, there are tips and tricks to help your listing rank on Amazon's organic search. There are available Amazon seller tools online, such as Amazon PPC tool, keyword research, and product research tools of Seller App. The said tools were designed and created to help Amazon sellers advance their business and maximize profitability. Amazon price wars. Most inexperienced sellers will try to outbid their competition by offering a lower price than its precedents. However, practicing such methods would simply mean settling for less and eating up the profit margin. To avoid unreasonable and less profitable repricing strategies, the use of an AI algorithmic Amazon repricer is highly recommended. There are few Amazon's repricing tools on the market. They are A2X, Helium 10, Jungle Scout. You can try and get benefited with any of those tools. Receiving Amazon feedback. One of the ranking factors considered by Amazon's algorithm is feedback or customer reviews. In 2016, when Amazon noticed alleged review manipulation, the tech giant made major changes to its review policy. Sellers are no longer allowed to directly ask for reviews in exchange for free items or incentives. However, if you provide a seamless experience to your customers, you will receive reviews from Amazon shoppers. Needless to say, there are also Amazon reviews and feedback tools available to help improve your Amazon feedback. Strict restrictions and policies. Unlike other methods, such as dropshipping, Amazon provides guidelines on items that are allowed and not allowed to be sold on their platform. In terms of overall community guidelines, Amazon has laid down strict guidelines for community participation. This includes eligibility, promotions, and commercial solicitations, and content infringement. Restrictions and policies are placed for the common good of all Amazon sellers and shoppers alike. In order to avoid issues, the best thing to do is to familiarize yourself with them to avoid committing irregularities with your Amazon transactions. Concluding, reaching your goal of financial freedom through selling on Amazon is possible, but not immediate. With the help of the tools mentioned above and a clear understanding of what to expect, it is possible to build a successful Amazon business. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon-related updates.